For more updates, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.
In a cozy nursery, nestled in a small corner of the world, a little baby sleeps soundly in their crib. Little do they know, a brave protector is nearby. Meet Whiskers, the cutest orange tabby cat, always by the baby's side. Whiskers is more than just a cute face, he's a hero in disguise. But today, something feels different. There's danger nearby, but Whiskers senses it. A dark shadow lurks closer to the baby's crib. Whiskers knows he must act fast. With no time to waste, Whiskers springs into action. He's not just a cat, he's the baby's guardian. The danger reveals itself. A sharp object near the crib, threatening to harm the baby. But Whiskers is brave. He rushes to the crib, standing between the danger and the baby. Nothing will get past him, not on his watch. The baby, unaware of the danger, starts to cry, reaching out to Whiskers. With quick thinking, Whiskers gently guides the baby away from harm. He won't let anything happen to the one he loves. Whiskers isn't just a protector, he's clever too. With a swift swipe of his paw, the danger is gone in an instant. With the danger averted, the baby giggles with joy. Whiskers looks on proudly. Together, Whiskers and the baby share a bond that can never be broken. A bond of love, courage, and protection.
For more updates, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. I love you.
Oh, thank you so much.
For more updates, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.